much AI is coming at us, especially in terms of potential marketing implications, it's almost as if you have to pick up and run and take advantage of this window of opportunity versus they're just going out and doing it on their own. They're not waiting for anybody to come and solve their problems, which is very impressive. They talk about their AI agents, which is going to be a super hyper personalization for how you interact with their ecosystem and how they go from merchandising decisions to serving an end customer, completely compressing the entire customer life cycle and the journey process. The biggest before and after I'm noticing, and we are having active conversations around, is how much of an augmented, I know the phrase that's been often used in the context of AI has been the co-pilot, and I feel like a lot of that approach is being considered or deployed across companies right now, which is there is still the human in the loop. They play a very critical role. There's a definite need, hunger, and value for the human expertise. AI is now enabling you to be pretty much anything you choose if you know how to ask for what you want. Prompt engineering has opened up so many new paths. You can certainly pick a career if you know really how you want to prompt the AI. I code that as a data janitorial work. You're almost like a data janitor. Like you have to bring everything, clean it, and get ready. That's where I am seeing, and I think a lot of the leaders in the space will agree, is the fastest path to impact. Because what it opens, in my mind, I code that as a data janitorial work. You're almost like a data janitor. Like you have to bring everything, clean it, and get ready. This entire world of possibility where every single touch point in that analytics lifecycle or that analytics value chain can dramatically explode in terms of speed, accuracy, and impact.
So what about future analysts, right? Like folks who are graduating now or entering the workspace, right? What is your viewpoint on that? Like, how are they going to even learn?
I am generally a big believer in the concept that as opportunities show up, intellectual capitalism shows up. What I mean by that is we know that there is going to be a talent gap. We know there already exists a talent gap in how quickly these generative AI equipments and approaches are changing our business world. And therefore, we will need our workforce to be wrapped up on that. And it's at all levels, not just at the entry levels. The entry levels, if anything, will have the benefit of heavily funded university programs actively pivoting to help them get